Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing trending PowerPoint template in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end. So let's begin. First of all, go to Insert tab and Pictures and insert two of the pictures that you want to use. So I'm going to use one of the picture of Lionel Messi and the other of Cristiano Ronaldo. And what I'm going to do is select both of them. First of all, this first picture, and I'm going to crop it that it covers the half of the template and the person in it is visible clearly. So let me just move it onto the left side. And for this second image, I'm just going to increase its size as same as the first image and crop it. And here it covers the half of the other template. Let's decrease its size because I want the picture to be fit in it. And here you go. Now go to Insert tab and Shapes and insert this shape right here, and you're going to increase its size. And let me just input the height and length of this shape in this place right here. Be sure to use the same height and length value and that it covers the entire slide, or the result won't be really nice if you don't do that. Here you go. Put it into the center and the middle of the template and rotate it onto the right side because I want the picture to be visible from the space. So let's make it a bit of large. So here it goes. Adjust it and rotate it fully. Go to shape outline and give it an outline using eyedropper from the picture, and for the fill I'm gonna use this color and go to outline and increase the weight of the uh, outline because I want it to be visible in the results. So here it goes. Next, I'm gonna insert a text box for the header. I'm gonna write the Cristiano Ronaldo as the header because this template picture is about Cristiano Ronaldo. So let's increase its size and change its font to Agency FB and align it into the middle. Here it goes. And the next thing I'm gonna do is select this text box and change its color font to white color. And here it goes. Now insert your content text or the details of this template, and you have to align it into the middle as well. And the next thing you're going to do is put it into the center just below the title. Next, go to Insert tab and Shapes and insert a straight line that is just as the width of the text. And you have to change its color to white and increase its weight. And also you have to give it arrows that have both arrow of a circle at the end and the beginning. I'm talking about this one. Yeah, so here it goes. Now duplicate this template because it's all complete. And what we're going to do is rotate this shape to the left side that the other picture is visible. Select all the text and we're going to move it onto the right side. And next change the text. I'm going to change the header to Lionel Messi. And next, I'm going to change the details and go to shape format. I'm going to use eyedropper to give it an outline. So, and the next thing I'm going to do is use the eyedropper to give it other shape fill as well. So here it goes. So select this text and move it onto the left side a little bit because it goes out of the template frequently. So go to the first template, go to transitions, select all of these, and go to transitions and give it more transition. And this is the final result. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And you can also edit this template. So thanks for watching and check out my other new videos as well.